Don't go feisty, girls. No! Oh, the ears. Hopefully these girls do not come to feisty. Wait, I forgot to say. Hey guys, welcome back to Jacob's Aquarium. So today we got some more Bevinosa females. Really hope they don't fly away from this little container that they're in. Okay, here they are. You can see them. Looks like they just come out of their shells. There's one that sort of flipped over me. Hopefully, no, do not touch it. Oh my gosh, that was close. Well, you guys get to see these guys. A grasshopper. Oh, it's gone. Ooh, it's so bright. It's bright right now. It's sunset right now. Sun's about to go bye-bye. Here are the two females right here. Nope, not a focus. Okay, here they are. I've been hearing superb dog day cicadas lately. I think I ate a Hot Pocket. I ate a Hot Pocket earlier. Not a Hot Pocket video. Today is gonna be cicada video. Look at this dude. He's like, come on, what are you doing? What are you two doing? Oh! Oh, somebody got their sprinkler on. That's it. Huh. I mean it. The gnats are coming right now to me. I wish you stupid little pesky gnats or whatever you are didn't exist. I wish all the other bugs except grasshoppers and cicadas. I won't let these kind of bugs exist. The other ones can die. You flew my pants. Okay, I'm definitely gonna upload this. Yes, I'm gonna definitely upload this to YouTube at the end of the video. You saw that? It landed right here on my pants. Okay, girl, don't get too crazy and start messing with my pants. Okay, I just gotta see. Okay, take off, girl. I don't want to waste too much storage on my phone. Get off, get off, get off. Come on. Okay, there she goes. There she goes. Holy bad girl.